Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to play CS2 1v1 maps for 2025. If you're a Counter-Strike 2 fan looking to level up your skills through intense one-on-one battles, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, what are 1v1 maps? These are custom-designed arenas in CS2 where you face off against a single opponent, focusing on pure skill like aim, movement, and strategy. They're great for practice and can help you improve faster than standard matches. To get started, launch CS2 and head to the Play section. Look for Workshop Maps or Custom Games in the menu. Search for popular 1v1 maps on the Steam Workshop. There are tons of user-created ones optimized for 2025 updates, with better graphics and balanced layouts. Download a few and add them to your favorites. Once you're in a map, set up your game properly. Invite a friend or use bots for practice. Adjust the settings for a fair fight. Choose modes like Arms Race or Deathmatch for quick rounds. Tweak your controls. Make sure your mouse sensitivity is spot on, and customize your crosshair for better accuracy. Now, let's talk strategies. Positioning is key. Use cover to your advantage and control high traffic areas. Work on your aim through consistent practice. Focus on flick shots and tracking moving targets. Economy might be simplified in 1v1, but don't waste buys. Pick weapons that suit your playstyle, like the AK-47 for power or the AWP for precision. Watch out for common mistakes, such as rushing without a plan or ignoring sound cues, which can give away your position. In 2025, with enhanced audio features in CS2, listening is more important than ever. Finally, the best way to get better is through regular play. Join community servers, record your sessions to review errors, and challenge friends. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more CS2 tips. See you in the next one.